What if there was a way to earn $10 again and again, without skill, without investment or any experience? Yes, $5 might look very small, but they sum up very fast. You can expect that the balance will increase every day. In fact, there are plenty of people all over the world who currently make $10 to $500 or more a day with this secret strategy. You're very fortunate because you clicked on this video, and by viewing it right now, you'll be one of the select few who will learn the secret technique and be one step ahead of the competition. In this brief video, I'll walk you through everything step by step, including how to sign up and give you a free examples, as well as some additional actions to help you earn and double your money faster. So, make sure to stay tuned and watch until the very end. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you the best and greatest platforms to be used to earn money really quick. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. And before we get into this brand new content, make sure you finish watching the video, and also please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button down below and the notification bell. It'll help us with the YouTube algorithm to build and reach more and more people. Now with that said, let's get right into the video. Okay, I want you to go to this website right here. Basically, when you come onto this website, you can look for different photos and different pictures that you can download for free. Now I want you to go and search for this keyword, which is black and white photos. I want you to take a look at all of these photos right here, which is in black and white. Now this is exactly an opportunity to make money online using all of these black and white pictures right here. By the way, this website is called pexels.com. Now basically on this website you can colorize black and white photos. So let's say, for example, if your photo is in black and white, just like this one on the left section here, you can use this free website to turn these black and white photos into colored ones, and this right here can help you to make money online. So, when you scroll down below you can see upload, and you can now change a black and white photo just like this right here and turn it into a colored picture just like this, and then you can sell them for $5 to $10 or even more for just by doing that for free on this website. So I want to show you a quick demo on exactly how to do this. I'll also show you a couple of websites where we can sell this service to other people and start making money. When you scroll down, you can see colorization factor, and above it, you can click the button upload. You can now upload your black and white photo. Click select photo and choose the black and white photo you want to be colorized. I'll go ahead and do that. As you can see, the original photo is actually a black and white photo. So, as you can see here, we can directly compare, and you'll see that these pictures are actually having colors from black and white photo. Now the next thing that you want to do is download the results by clicking on this download button here. It is really easy, just click on these photos to show you the end result, and it successfully turned the black and white photos in a colored one, and you'll be able to download them for free on this website, and you don't need to pay money at all. You don't even need to sign up for an account, so this is a really good opportunity for you. So the website I use to color the black and white photo is called hotpot.ai, and again make sure you keep watching this video because I'll show you more where you can make money online using the service and taking advantage of this website. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Now I'll show you a second opportunity that you can do. The other website I want to show you is called Removebg. You can use this website for free, and it's 100% automatic. On this website you can remove the background of a photo. So let's say, for example, this is your original picture with a girl, and then behind her are trees and all the backgrounds. So once you use this website right here, you can actually remove the background and leave just the girl and the guy right there. This is exactly how you can remove the background using this new opportunity. So now go back and click on this blue button to upload an image. In here, I'll just use this as a quick example. As you can see, by just one click of a button I've uploaded the original photo on Removebg, and this will automatically remove the background. So let's go ahead and click on this blue download button right here. As you can see, I can begin downloading this without even creating an account, without spending a single dime on this website, and again you can do this on your computer, or you can do it on your phone too. Now I want to show you a couple of websites where you can use to make money selling those services. The first one is Fiverr.com. When you come to this homepage, you can type in a keyword colorized photos and then press on the search button and it will take you to this page. You'll see different people from all over the world that are selling this service, and when I scroll down below, you'll see that people colorizing a black and white photo. Say for example this black and white photos turns into colorful pictures and it's being charged $10 for doing that, and as you can see here there are people who left the comment on the services. What this means is that people are actually buying these type of services. Now there are a lot of people from all over the world that are making money using this opportunity just for coloring black and white photos, and you can do the exact same thing using the hotpot.ai, the website which I showed you earlier. So say for example, the seller right here is offering his colorizing services professionally, and all he does is just color the black and white photos and turn it into colorful picture, and he can sell it for a certain amount of money. So let me go on to the calculator, and as you can see here $10, and there are 670 people buying the service from him, so he's making $6,700. That's a very huge earning by coloring photos using a free website like this one right here. And you know what's even more amazing is that you can set up your own basic package or a standard package which you can sell up to $30, or even a premium package which is $50. The earning opportunity is incredible as you can see here, so I just want to show you how easy it is to find a way to make money online if you know the right way to do it. So if you want to sign up for a free account on Fiverr and start selling and making money online, all you have to do is go ahead and click on this button, become a seller, and then you're going to come onto this page where you can sign up for a free account. You can then put in your email address and sign up for your free account and go ahead and click on this continue button. So the second website I want to show you for more opportunities for you to earn money is PeoplePerHour.com. Now when you click on the search button, you can see here there are a lot of people selling different services on this website. Now I want you to type in a keyword which is background removal, and I want you to press on the search button, and as you can see here there are people who are selling background removal services for up to $35 by just removing a background, and that's exactly what you can do by using Removebg website. As you can see here, it's very simple. Within a few seconds, with a couple of clicks, you can do this and start selling the service on this website. And when I scroll down below, you can see there are so many sellers who are making money using this opportunity by simply removing the background of photos, just like what I showed you earlier. Now people are selling this service for $15, $25, $10, and even up to $40. So if you're just getting started, all you have to do is just charge for $5 and you can sell a lot of them. So for example, this service right here, background removal, this guy is selling for this amount by just removing background for these many photos. Now it seems that there are a lot of photos, but as you can see here, it's very simple, just a few seconds, and you can remove the background automatically without any experience. So that's the opportunity that I wanted to share with you that can help you make money online. So if you sign up for a free account on PeoplePerHour.com, go ahead and click on this one right here, and then come over to this page where you can sign up for a free account. Make sure you choose this category, which is I want to work as a freelancer. And then click on this button right here and sign up with an email, and then right here you can put in your name, email and password and sign up for a free account. And that's exactly how you can use these websites hotpot.ai and Removebg to make money on Fiverr and PeoplePerHour.com. Alright, that wraps up for today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you take action. Don't let your mind control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. And that's the end of this video. If you made it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload 2 to 3 times a week, and all you got to do is just subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, like and share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. If you want to see more money-making videos, you can watch all our other videos as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.